Hello everyone, and thank you for coming and welcome to my first ever Java tutorial. Before we begin anything, we want to try and understand what Java really is. As you probably already know, Java is found virtually everywhere, on your mobile, on games, on the internet, found with applications like e-business applications, banking, big applications and stuff like that. If you just want to view application developed in Java, you probably want to install the Java Runtime Environment (JRE). And if you want to develop applications, you want to install the JDK, the Java Development Kit software. So let's just try and go into it and see if we to understand, get a little bit of a background of Java. So if you go into your browser and type Java JDK Documentation, and if we scroll down a bit, we want to go into the Java Platform Standard Edition 7 documentation. And once we've done that, okay, we you can see here it's got the JDK on the left hand side here, and it's got all the languages and the API, and the interfaces within the JDK software that you can use. Then the JRE and the JSE API. So the JDK really has both the JRE and the Java SE API or in it. Okay, so for us, we are going to use the Java JDK, the Java Development Kit software installed. So that's how it is. So let's go back to our browser and let's just begin the download. Okay, so if we go back to our browser, let's download the JDK, as we already have the JDK 7. This is the newest version of the Java. Okay, and as you can see here, the first one is Java JDK 7.3, and Java FX, and Java with NetBeans, and Java EE, which has the JDK 7 plus, and the JEE, which will have class fish and stuff like that on it, whilst the NetBeans is an IDE is used to develop it. But for now, we won't go into NetBeans and JEE right now. What we need to do is hit the Java Platform JDK, download that for now, which will have the JEE as well, so you don't need to install JEE separate. If you have JEE installed already, don't worry, it would find it and tell you that you already have JEE installed. So just accept it here and just download the one that you need for and the application that you want to use. For me, I would download the Windows 64 byte. So hit it and then download and then install it. Follow the instructions as usual, and then we set up the environment and get started. So we are going to download it, and once it finished downloading, we will install it and get started. Okay, so once it's the file has been downloaded, we would just double click on it to install. So just go ahead and click next. Go ahead and just accept the default and click next. Just download. So we get back after it finishes. Okay, so at this point, go ahead and click. It asks you where you want to install the JRE7. So go ahead and click next. I kind of okay, so we get back after it finishes. So at this point, we just want to continue. If you want to register, you can continue to register. So at the end of the installation, it asks to install the JavaX SDK. At this moment, I don't need JavaX. FX. I'm not going to go into Java FX. I haven't used it before, so I'm not gonna say yes. I'm gonna click cancel. Go ahead and do your registration with Oracle as you want, because when there is a new update, they would send you an email to update your fixes. So do register if you like.